Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to install MongoDB in our Linux system using terminal. So here I have few commands for you to install MongoDB in your system. So here you have to just copy and paste this command into your terminal. So these all commands you can get in the video descriptions below. So I will explain how this command is do in your system. What is it this command is going to do in your system? So update your system. So sudo apt get update and sudo apt get upgrade, this command is going to update your system. And for adding MongoDB repository you have to just add some few commands. So here is one command and here is another. So for update your repository and to allow apt to read the newly added MongoDB repo, for that you have to just add sudo apt get update. And after this, for installing MongoDB you have to paste this command sudo apt get install mongodb org. So for starting MongoDB we have to just type this command sudo systemctl start mongod, or for restart mongod you have to type sudo systemctl restart mongod or sudo systemctl stop mongod. So by using this command, when you start your system, when you want to run your MongoDB client on your system, at that time you have to uh, run this command. So if you don't want to this, so if you want, when you at the time of starting your system, start your MongoDB in your system, for that you have to just paste this command systemctl enable mongodb. So what it command does, so this command is going to do, so when your system is going to start at the boot time, it will start the MongoDB for you. So I have already installed MongoDB on my system, so I'm not going to show you typing this command and whole process. So I have just shown these commands here for you. And after this, after successful installation, you have to just copy and paste this command into your terminal. So here just type mongo and press enter. So here you can see you are connecting to the MongoDB 127.0.0.1. so this is our localhost IP and 27017 is our MongoDB port number. So MongoDB server version, you can see here 3.6.9 version I have in MongoDB. So here my MongoDB is started. So these all these commands and process we have to install MongoDB. So all these commands you can get from the video descriptions. And for the quit MongoDB you have to just type quit command. So here quit, press enter. So your MongoDB has ended its session. So thank you guys, please like and subscribe my channel.